Whether you film in a log or you just want to make your footage look more cinematic or in a style of any movie, but you don't know how to color grade, well, I got something for you that's going to change your life. This tool is not only available for free, by the way, but also is allowing you to download cube file for your Premiere Pro so you can load it up and then apply it to all the footage. I mean, how amazing is that? You can color grade log footage, you can color grade any kind of footage from your phone, anything. I'll show you how it works. Let's go. Search Runway AI. I'm going to put the link in the description of this video as well. Click on Get Started and sign up for this amazing tool. Go to AI tools and find Color Grade. Find a video or upload the video that you want to use for this project. I'm going to go for this street video and just write a prompt. This could be anything that you want. I like to start in the style of, okay, let's go for Batman films first. Generate, and then in a couple of seconds you can see what you need is a little bit of a short file because you can download cube file and then upload it to Premiere Pro, as I mentioned. All right, this looks pretty cool. I like it. Okay, let's go high contrast. Now we're gonna keep it a little bit like straightforward and simple. I'm gonna add horror style because I like horrors. Not in real life, of course. Ooh, that's way too much. That's way too much. I'm gonna delete high contrast and just left horror style. Interesting. You can toggle it on and off to see the original, to see the difference. Let's go for it. Make it look more cinematic. It's pretty simple. Simple prompt. You don't want to overcomplicate it because it's going to get confused as well. I'm pretty happy with this, to be honest. Let's do sunset. Yeah, it actually looks like the sun is setting, honestly. You see that kind of nice glow and warm in the background building. Let's go for another example. And I added this because if some of you shoot in log for a really great quality, but you're not necessarily confident in color grading, you can also create a lot for the log footage. So I'm going to show you. This is a S-Log because I shoot with Sony. And I'm going to show you pretty quickly how I can get it color graded to pretty good quality. As you can see, this is completely washed out as it should be. I'm going to go for in the style of Blair Witch Project. Okay, not the actual result I wanted. It's a little bit too green. So I'm going to do contrast as well. I love this. I don't know about you, but this is awesome. This is so good. I mean, it's of course subjective based on your style, filmmaking style, but I absolutely love this. You can directly, as I said, just click download cube file, load it into your Premiere Pro, you're ready to go. As you can see, if I delete Blair Witch Project and just leave with the contrast, I have the same result. That's what I said. If you use too many prompts and like too many words, it can confuse it. And then it's gonna go basically with like one word that it recognizes. If you found this video helpful, subscribe. And if you want to sign up for Runway and do this, check the link in the description.